In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to grab the official free trial of Adobe Premiere Pro for both PC and Mac. We're sticking strictly to the official source, no sketchy sites or risky files here. To get started, head down to the video description. I've dropped a direct link there that brings you straight to the official Adobe Premiere Pro landing page. Using this link guarantees you're getting the genuine software and avoiding any copycat sites. Once you're on the Adobe site, hit that Start Free Trial button. You'll be presented with a few choices for individuals, students, or teachers. Pick the category that best matches your situation. Most choose the individual plan, which unlocks a full 7-day trial of the software, but keep an eye on the fine print just in case the terms have updated. You'll need to plug in your email address to either sign in or set up a new Adobe ID. To kick off the trial, they will ask for a payment method, but you aren't charged during the trial period. However, it's smart to note the billing date shown on screen. Set a calendar alert for 1 day before the trial ends, so you can decide if you want to keep it or cancel without being charged. Once you're signed up, the site will prompt you to install the Creative Cloud desktop app. Think of this as your control center. Download and install that first. Inside the app, scroll through the list until you spot Premiere Pro, then hit Install. It's a big program, so give it a moment to pull down all the files. When the bar hits 100%, you are good to go. You can launch Premiere Pro right from the Creative Cloud dashboard or your computer's main menu. You now have access to every single feature in Premiere Pro for the entire length of your trial. If you're ready to start cutting your own videos, grab that official link in the description below. Just a heads up, that is an affiliate link, so I may get a small kickback if you decide to subscribe, which helps me keep making these tutorials for you. If you found this useful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more video editing tips. Catch you in the next one.